Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faisal Hafiz. I am from 3A, and this is another video reflection about the YouTube video titled World Englishes. In this video, David Crystal discusses the evolution of English as a global language, emphasizing its adaptation in different countries and culture. Some of the reason is English is a global language with many varieties because English is one of the biggest language in the world. It is even used as an international language in the earth. Because of that, English is of course has many varieties in many culture. And countries adapt English to reflect local history and culture because in the past English actually has many land Commonwealth land, also known as, or you can infer it as an ex-colonial by English in the past. I think is in the 18th centuries, and because of that, some of the culture and history adapt from the English countries. New vocabulary emerges from local influences because English originally from the Anglo-Saxon is which a very cultural vocab, and with the increasing culture and increasing of knowledge, new vocab will influence with the local feature. Cultural reference in English can confuse non-native speaker because in English there are so many, because English is many as very much of references cultural in their language, and for non-native speaker like me, it's hard for me to understand the reference from their culture, or maybe when they're joking I don't get the reference because I didn't have the same culture. The process of adaptation happens rapidly, often within weeks, and this is true because language English is one of the largest language in the world. The process of adaptation happens rapidly because there is so much English language, like from your phone, from the television, even from the books. In the global Englishes, the emergence of multiple English varieties reflects the diverse cultural context where English is used. As English spread, it evolved to meet local needs, enhancing communication. Because of this, many local use English language as as their first or second languages. And cultural adaptation, when a language is adopted, it morphs to express local reality, showcasing the dynamic nature of language. This adaptation is essential for effective communication within that culture. And vocabulary growth, and further because of this, new vocabulary is growing from the local expression, and borrowing from indigenous languages expand English vocabulary, making English language very rich and very different. In even different regions contribute unique terms that may not understood by outsiders. And because of this, English also have a rapid evolution that the speech at which new varieties of English form demonstrate language adaptability. New words can emerge almost instantly as people describe unfamiliar concept or item. And also there's cultural nuances. Understanding cultural difference is crucial for effective communication. Idioms and local expressions can lead to miscommunication if the listener lacks that cultural background. Because of this, many English non-native speaker must understand the English or American cultural references in order to help with speaking English very fluently. I think that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.